I think this is going to be the only way we're going to achieve this. If you go here, you see that. Though this is a little bit late for an entry, for a good entry. So I put my TP just on top of the first entry for a trend. I'm sure we're going to expect a spike around those areas, though a spike is likely to occur around the touch of the red MA. Yo, I'm just doing this. I don't know what the market can do right now, but this is a very late entry. I'm telling you guys. Okay, we'll just leave it. We'll see what's going to happen. If we mess up, we mess up. But look at the conditions. It's late. It's a late one, yeah. But coming from the top, you see. Yeah, okay, yeah. Good. We have this. Okay. Follow what the dot is saying right there. See? That's what the dot is saying. Just right there. You see? Brush it off. It's just down there on the RSI. You see, this is 5 minutes. So all these 5 minutes blocks, they have money in them. So me, I just took mine late, and I don't like taking trades around this time, please. Yes, I'm just doing it for you. If it spikes for me, yeah, I'll take my loss. But market is making higher lows, so it's more like an uptrend, and so it's an uptrend movement, but you know how it is. It's an uptrend movement, yeah. It's an uptrend movement. Let's see 1 minute what it's saying. So 1 minute is moving like that. It's already crossed, and the other side it has made that crossing. So if I zoom out to the last zoom level, that's what you see. If I zoom in twice, you see what price is at. That's what price is at. So coming from the top part, you know your entries in 1 minute. Those are the entries in 1 minute. But I normally like using this, or your entries from this top bar, from this top part. You always go back to profit. Same thing. Back. Same thing which would have happened around this point. Have you seen that? Let me see. Let me see if I can use something to point it out. I don't know if I'm good at using the tools. Okay. I'm really good at using the tools. But you see, the entries are basically supposed to be on top, just at that point. Anyway, that's the reason why I'm holding on this. I don't really. I'm a little bit shaking a little bit, but you know how it is. I already have entries from the top part, so I don't have to worry about the spikes which are going to happen, because market actually make a retracement. Looking at where I put my TP. So if this TP gets hit, which means it's a success. If it bounces back at the touch of the red MA, then boom, we're done. So I'm just going to leave the phone a little bit. We'll let it trade. I'll just leave it recording so that it trades. We see what's going to happen, because these are 5 minutes candlesticks. If it spikes, it spikes. If it doesn't spike, then yeah, we're good. Which means everything has been proven. Like, you don't have to worry about anything. You take your entries, you're good to go. Yeah, you take your entries, you're 100% good to go, because every time you enter from the top after a spike, then you see that candlestick wiki being formed in the 5 minutes candlestick. Take your entry. Don't worry about anything. Market will always come back. So all the wikis for bullish candlesticks. Looking at the previous movement of market at this point right here. You see, it's a downwards movement of market. The red MA represents, it represents support. Resistance. If it's on the other side, this side. If it's coming from this side, this is support. It represents support. From this side, it represents support. From this side, it represents, you know what it is. So, you see why I say all the top part, maybe the touch of the Bollinger Band from the top part of the Bollinger Band there, it goes down. You see, so that's the first Bollinger Band. That's a touching right there of the MA, the red MA. It's just about to touch in 5 minutes, so it might spike just right there before the TP. But anyways, keep my fingers crossed, hoping it doesn't spike for me before it hits my TP, because where the TP is, that's where the Bollinger Band is likely to touch. So I'm using lot size 0.2 and 1.
What?
Yes.
Chelaka?
Yeah. Ati boa.
Yete.
Naona.
Mpaka meeting.
No. Kala video session for langizwa gari tatu safu kwa supermarket eating on a TP pair up. Bo. Then yeah, we done. Whoa. It hit the TP, guys. So yeah, that's it. We're closing right now. Let me show you the profits. Those are the profits. You see? That's 5 minutes candlestick. So lot size 1 will make you $5. 0.20 will make you $1. So choose wisely. All you guys who are making $1, you're missing out on the big wins. KDMFX, guys, we're out.